With this video, you can learning one scalp strategy for scalp trading. Like this position, we open long position here on ape coin, and after that, you can see we have good reward and good win rate. Guys, stay with us until the end of video for learning all thing about this strategy. Let's start tutorial. For the first thing, we want to use two time frame, guys, like 1 hour time frame and 15 minutes time frame. On 1 hour time frame, we must to see one spike, candlestick or trend like this, guys. Here you can see on 1 hour time frame we have bullish spike like this. At this area you can see a spike leg beginning until this area. A spark leg must have higher high and higher low candlestick on bullish spark leg. Like this, we have higher low, and higher lows until here, guys. After that, after we can see one spark leg like this, we want to stay for retracement leg of this leg. For example, here we have resistance zone, or we can see resistance. It doesn't matter for us. The retracement leg, it's come down. You know the retracement leg on lower time frame like 15 minutes time frame must to have lower low and lower highs. On this leg, lower highs and the previous lower high was so important for us. Here now you can see we can shift our time frame on 15 minutes time frame and mark lower low and lower high. We have lower low here and lower high here. We have lower low here and lower high here. Lower low here and the previous lower high. The previous lower high is so important for us. After the previous lower high was broken, we can say we have change of character here because our lower high was broken and we have higher high than the previous high, guys. After that, we can stay for retracement leg of this leg. The leg broke this higher high. For example, here you can see we have retracement leg after spike leg. After that, we can mark previous lower high on 15 minutes time frame. After price broke this lower high, we can stay for retracement leg of this leg. After that, we want to mark FVGs of this leg. For example, here we have FVG. When price come back and pulling back on this FVG or support zone, we can open long position with this stop loss, guys. We can set our stop loss behind this lower low. Let's see example on chart. Here you can see with this leg we have one change of character. After that, we must stay for retracement leg. When retracement leg came back, we must mark FVGs, guys. We have one FVGs here. Price came back on FVG, and with this candlestick, we can open long position with this stop loss. You can see at this price, we can gain 2 TP. Guys, have a good time. Goodbye.